Hello and welcome back to BIM to Form. If you are curious about how to combine the flexibility of automated modular and partly automated flex slab formwork design with BIM to Form, watch this video. Select deck, then your heights, then your corner and two bounding lines or walls. In this example, we are first going to fill most of the floor plan with modular slab formwork, which works best for standard areas. Select standard area to easily fill up the areas that don't need specific panel sizes by using the infinite loop function. And use the compensation area function to fill up the border areas as well. If this was too fast-paced, we have another video on that which will be linked down below. In the second step, we are now going to place flex slab formwork in the leftover right corner. Therefore, select primary beam, then choose your height again. You can make multiple selections like beam length, prop system or the offset of the beam. Click OK, choose your start and ending point, and your primary beams will be placed. Easily repeat this process with the infinite loop. For the secondary beams, click the command, select your beam length and offset if you need to, click OK, and define the start and ending point. Easily repeat this process with the infinite loop. To fill up the leftover area, we ungrouped the last double beam and copied it to place it down below. As you'll see, the beams are now accessing the wall. You can remove the spare parts, but still having them in your parts list, select all the excessive beams and define the area. Switch then to 3D view, select show parts for parts visibility, select the beams again and click exclude parts. For placing the flex facing on top of the beams, select Schalhaut, then the upper level, click 3 corners and make your adjustments if you need to. To remove the excessive plates, repeat the same process as it was used with the beams before. Select the accessing plates, define the area and exclude the parts in the 3D view. Once you're done, you can hide the walls to view your design. Experience formwork design in a new dimension yourself. For more information, visit our website and contact us to get a 14 days free trial of BIM to Form.